Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Nandito kami sa SMEG or Standard Madrasa Education Curriculum ILS Bongao Tawi-Tawi Integrated Laboratory School. Dito po tayo sa MSU Compound Bongao Tawi-Tawi. Okay guys, yung first facilities na ipapakita namin sa inyo ay yung school library nila.
The MSU TCTO child started with the operations of the Mahad Al-Furqan Al-Islami that was implemented by the MSU TCTO College of Islamic and Arabic Studies and supported by the MSU TCTO as part of its extension services since 2001. This special concern was in response to the legitimate aspirations of the Bangsamoro people to have an Islamic education that would help mold the future generations of Muslims and to help operationalize the 1996 peace agreement between the government of the Republic of the Philippines and the Moro National Liberation Front.
Hi guys, so ngayon pupuntahan natin yung mga classrooms nila. So, as you can see, marami silang classrooms. So, mag-tour tayo dito. Pupuntahan natin sa pagkakas.
With the opportunity to pilot the standard madrasa curriculum, DEFID number 51 in 2004 and DEFID number 40 in 2011, the Mahad Al-Furqan Al-Islami has evolved into CHALS. Therefore, the CHALS was accredited by the DEFID arm as one of the 17 pilot madaris in the region with a mandate to support the MSU TCTO program on multiculturalism and to serve as a laboratory school of the MSU TCTO College of Islamic and Arabic Studies for the teaching practical needs of its Bachelor of Arts in Islamic Studies and Bachelor of Science in Teaching Arabic student. The Child School has operated for 17 years now with a curricular offering from kindergarten to grade 6. This is standard madrasa curriculum with Islamic studies. The subject offered are Quran, Sirah, Hadith, Aqidah, Fiqh, and the Arabic language. Significantly, the Child School has successfully merged as laboratory of the College of Education on December 30, 2020. The Board of Regents approved that the stand of Child as laboratory in its curriculum is K-12 class with integrated of standard madrasa curriculum and headed by one principal. In addition, starting the effectivity or merging three schools, the name of the Child School is now MSU ILS Standard Madrasa Education Curriculum. Alhamdulillah, despite the number of subjects being taught, the pupils are able to cope with the demand of the same. Some even excel and outperform other pupils from different schools as manifested by different recognitions and awards that the pupils earn in academic and sport competitions both local and national. The disciplines that the school instills to the learners through Islamic concepts make them one step ahead over the pupils of different schools.